Are you looking to boost your online conversions in minutes with social proof pop-ups? With FomoToolkit, you can add gorgeous, high-converting social proof pop-ups to unlimited websites in just 5 minutes. Totally free. FomoToolkit is a completely customizable social proof pop-up builder. Without subscriptions, you can use on unlimited websites, and you control everything. Works with Shopify, WordPress, WooCommerce, Highlevel, ClickFunnels, Systeme.io, and many more. Basically anything that takes a header script. It's easy to install and already used by over 10,000 plus funnel builders and smart marketers worldwide. Boost your conversions instantly by showcasing any notifications you wish, like recent purchases and email list signups. Product reviews and social media growth, form submissions and support tickets, live visitor activity, and much, much more. Normally, marketers pay $29 to $199 every single month for tools like this. Right now, you can get FomoToolkit for free, forever. Click the link below, grab your lifetime access, and start showing proof that converts today. 5 minutes from now, your site could be popping, literally.